Hi, viewers, welcome to our YouTube channel, allavailable.online. We are always bringing for you entertainment, educational and gaming videos. So please hit the like button and subscribe our channel. Dear viewers, today I will show you the application of a very useful formula, Sumproduct. With the help of this formula, you can calculate the progress percentage of an area or even the whole project.
This formula is very useful for the people related to project monitoring and controls, planning, as well as construction. For example, planning engineers, planners, project managers, quantity surveyors, etc.
So, let's start, shall we? As you can see above, I've already prepared a format and filled the weightage percentage of work steps, or say, activity steps of a civil project. You can change that to whatever you like as per nature of your project and the weightage.
As we can understand that every project has different weightage distribution, cost-based, man-hours-based, etc. So please fill this section of the format as per your requirement.
Under the description, you can see the number of buildings as areas or WBS items of the project.
Here also, you can reflect your project areas, but you must know the weightage of each area in order for you to calculate the overall percentage completion. Each area will have certain progress, and we want to calculate each area progress as well as overall project progress percentage using Sumproduct formula. Let me fill some progress figures for each area as example. I will mention each area building weightage as well, for you to better understand the concept. I fill the progress of each area and its activity step. Now in order to calculate area-wise progress, I will apply the formula. As you can see above, I apply the formula between activity steps progress versus steps weightage. While selecting the range of steps weightages, I pressed F4 which freezes the selection. So I can drag or copy-paste this formula to following buildings.